zoom in so people can see it better. Of course, that doesn't work at home. Okay. Ooh, flying camera. There we go. The problem with this is it creates lots of trash on my desk. All right, here we go. So this is technically going to be 12.1. And it's going to be volume of prisms and cylinders. Okay, go ahead and write down on page 600 the definition of volume and the excuse me. I probably won't say this right. Cavalieri's principle. Definitely not in American, so it's not a English word. So go ahead and write that down real quick, and then we'll get into this. And I'll draw a nice little oh, I guess I should do it with the dotted lines, huh? The formula for volume is way easier than the formulas for surface area, lateral area. You don't have to do very much. You just have to find the area of the base and the height. Okay? And so again, the base is going to be whatever's unique, and the height is going to be the distance of the bases. Okay? And so I can't make this too tough. Let's call this one a 4 by 8 by 10. Find the volume of this, and we're going to call these all in feet. So feet. Okay, as always, you're going to pick a base, and this is a rectangular prism, so that means, well, it doesn't matter which one you use for a base. You'll still get the same answer. I'm going to pick 4 by 8 as the base. So B means the area of the base. The area of the base is length times width. And so that's going to equal so volume is going to equal 32 times the height in this case is the distance between the two bases. And in this case, I call this a base and this a base. I call those two bases. So the distance to two bases is 10. So that's all it is. So the volume is 320 feet cubed. You measure volume in cubes. Excuse me. And that is it. That is all you do. Okay? All right, the next thing we need to do on this is we need to look at cylinders. I don't want to learn a new formula for cylinders. That seems silly. If I can get by with one formula, why would I need two? So we're going to do a cylinder here. I'll just scoot so we have room. All right. Okay. Not a lot of room for this, so I'm going to put a little arrow. That's going to be, let's call that 6 miles. That doesn't show up very well. 6 miles, and I don't know if you can even see it, so I'm going to move it up a little bit. We're going to call that radius 6 miles. Let's use the same formula to come up with the cylinder. It's going to be 12 miles tall. Okay, first of all, you find the area of the base, right? So the height is 12. The area of the base is going to be pi r squared. And I'm going to just call this 36 pi. I'm going to leave it in pi form until it's time to serve the problem, until it's time to round. So then the volume is 12 times 36 pi. And now I'm going to round to 2 decimal places. Okay, is there anything hard about this? Or is it just the same as before, except for even easier? So I think what I'm getting is 1357.16. That's incorrect. 0.17. Is that right? Is it right? Gotta get the door. This is weird for a video. Weird. Yeah. Okay, that's basically it. So I'm going to turn this off so I can sign papers. Wherever, I don't even see where to turn it off anymore. It used to be there. There it is.